Ya. Tora kon toro ma. Tora ko siya mo me siya ko nya diri te.
Minta
Ya pa macho. Isa ni se Fredo.
The most interesting yard that we've worked with in a long time is this one, and I want to show you why. So we've got our permaculture partners here helping us, and we've discussed names with them on what to call them. We were on Permaculture Bros, but that was too unisex because Imsa's daughter and Indina's daughter, Imsa's cousin is working with, Indina's son is working with us, and so we ended up. The kids wanted to be permaculture gangsters. Im said there's no way he's going to be in charge of a gang. I like the idea of a tribe. I've got a special love for the word tribe, and I wanted to do a permaculture tribe. And Im said he only belongs to one tribe, that's the Wambu tribe, because the Namibian tribes are quite tight. I like my tribe, he loves his tribe, and we all have these tribes. But I read Seth Godin's book a couple of years ago on tribes. Love the idea, but I'm not going to be able to communicate with that. And so we ended up with permaculture partners. I think that's the best. These kids, so they can end up spreading permaculture in the township. Okay, so what's interesting is that it's this piece of land has only got a entrance. Mora, good morning. Has only got water coming in, and has got absolutely no water running out. You see, there's a little swale there, unintended swale, but it keeps this area flooded. The water runs in, and it's got a self outlet. Before it floods the houses, it runs over, but that causes this soil. We are about a quarter of a Lucas deep, I would say about 30 centimeters, and the soil is completely moist and soaked, and that is because this area gets flooded and the water stands and sinks in. So we found no reason to do African smiles because this whole area gets flooded completely and the water just stands and sinks in. Right, so what are we doing today? So we've obviously planted quite a lot of trees over the years. Oi, are you okay? Knife just slipped. Ay. So that is she cut? Not broken. Okay, no blood. I think she's reacting to the way we're reacting. Let me move the camera away a little bit while Ims consoles her. He was cutting open the maize meal that we bought for the project, and the knife slipped and hit her on the chest. Luckily, skin isn't broken. Okay, so we've obviously planted quite a lot of trees over the years, but we have no idea how many. And so we've got the African Smile goal. I'll put the number below. I just have to confirm with Ims quickly on how much we are. We wanted to do 500 this year. We might do a bit less. African Smiles are those half moons that they dug in the Sahel to capture the water. We do the same in the township, but we do them now a little bit slower because now we're putting them in people's yards. And we've also done some in the wild, but I think the ones in the yards are going to be the most effective. Okay, so on the trees, I thought to myself, what is my goal? How many trees do I want to plant? And so I decided to do as many as we have subscribers. So today, I think we got 2 new subscribers yesterday. And so our goal for trees as of today, now the internet is gone now that I wanted to, is 7,652. So we'll be planting 3 trees, a baobab over here, and we'll be planting 2 mangoes over there. I'm not sure if we're going to open that, whether it's going to be 2 or 3 mangoes or whether that's going to be 1, but we've got a different mango over there. So we're planting, I'm going to count these as 3 trees. So then we're on 7,549 trees that we still need to plant. So if you want to see us plant more trees in the township, subscribe. That's very important. I also made some pork that I smoked. Now I didn't make a video of the smoking of the pork because my reputation told me that it's going to be a terrible idea, it's going to be a giant missed flop. So I smoked it in a drum, which I thought was really cool, and it came out beautifully. So we're gonna also give the kids something to eat. There is some people that I wanted to thank. The dog chef, Lisa. Thank you so much, Lisa, for the coffees that you bought me. And then Anonymous. Donna, may God continue to bless you as you share His love. Now, we didn't go to church, obviously, today is Sunday. Ems quickly want to add the pup there. Today is Sunday, but I think this is somehow part of a ministry. Now, as I was buying this pup this morning, I saw the price went up over the last year with 50%. Now, this is something that this is basically the staple. This is how thousands and thousands of Namibians make their food every year, and every day actually. And so the price of food for thousands of Namibians has gone up with 50%. Anyway, okay, and then quickly wanted to go down the list of people that I wanted to thank. Anonymous, thank you so much. Doing my best to spread His love. Definitely still a fallible person, no doubt. Subi, employing one Namibian a day. Our wages are crazy high. Thank you so much for those coffees. And then the fun for having the children on the farm, money for that. Thank you so much. That really also helps a lot. Subi, you are a pillar for me, really. It really the money that the coffees that you buy, the money that you send, helps a lot for this work. I cannot do any of this, plant one single tree without those coffees, and do any of this work without any of your help. Right, and now that's really the end of my story. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.